Amazon.com. I'm just gonna show you support and resistance and what I see right now. So basically, a support and resistant is like, so resistant is like, hey, if the market is in a bull trend, a bull is when the market is going up. The resistant will be at the top. That's like, hey, once it break this, to the moon, as they say. A support is like, hey, like if it's a bull trend, the market going up again, uh, the support will be beneath it. Support will be like, hey, we're gonna fall back, correct ourselves, but we're gonna find it on this support level right here before we go back up. Now I'm about to show you. Now there's three different types of trends in the market. You have a bull, a bear, and not resistant, a range. I'm gonna write it down for y'all. You have a bull, bear, and then a range. Three types of market. It's either going up, down, or sideways. Right now with Amazon, no, real quick before I get there. Bull, up, bear, down, range, side. Now, of course, you ain't gonna see no horizontal candle, but the range is like the market doesn't break within this certain zone, like these certain levels. And I'm about to draw for y'all, so y'all was like, so right here, right off the back, I see that yeah, the market is struggling to break this range between 3,500 and 2,800. So between this area, it's a range. Now I'm about to show you how to find support and resistance within this range. Now, so right now the market is in a bear trend. So resistance is gonna be below. And low key, Amazon's low key hitting the resistant mark. I'm gonna say so. On how you find these is anywhere that you see it takes the stock like around a certain number, it breaks, come back, breaks, come back, go up the opposite way, then come back to the same spot. That's a that's a support or resistant area that you need to pay attention to. Now, different folks, different strokes. For me, I do lines. Other people they do support and resistant zones. That's too much for me. So you get right about I'm gonna say 3069 is gonna be resistant, and then 30 3412 would be support. I'm gonna draw it in there for y'all so y'all know what I'm talking about. Now let's break this on down. Let's see what we got going on here. Right off the back, I see an M bearish pattern. A M bearish pattern is basically a key sign that the market is gonna go down. And then if the second arch of the M is lower than the first arch, that's another key sign that the market is going down. And what you see right here, you see how the second arch is lower than the first arch? That's a double double, like a double whammy, you could say. But what I am a little nervous about, because even though I'm seeing, I got two confirmations. I got the M bearish pattern, but yet also see that the second arch is lower than the first arch. That's a double double. It will be a triple triple, but candles. So The details are in the candle. Right here I'm looking at a rejection along the resistant. A rejection is like, hey, like the body of the candle. This is the body of the candle, and this is the wick. If the body of a candle don't break a certain zone, but the wick do, that's a rejection. Now I'm seeing a rejection near the resistant level. So that means like, hey, it's gonna take some time to break this level. So which means it might bounce back up. You see this gap right here? There's people who trade like this. They wait for, like, if a gap fit, like, gets put in the market, whatever, people will be like, hey, I know they're gonna have to correct itself and fill this gap, in which it look like that's where the market's going. If it bounce off resistant and then go fill the gap, and then it might drop back down. You never know with the market. But if it bounce off this resistant, it's gonna fill that gap. I don't know for sure because I am not a financial advisor. So don't take literal words. Don't take the words that I say literally. Do your own research. I am on tradingview.com. It's free. Now, if you want to start doing a whole bunch of stuff on here, you got to pay. But it's free for the most part. But yeah. Oh, just to help y'all out if you're new. Okay? So, a red candle it's going down. Like it's going down. That's the really only thing I could say. A green candle is going up. It gained. So red lost, green gain. Don't. I know you always hear the buy at the lowest, sell at the top. That's harder than what it seems like, okay? Don't let people just keep telling you that. Do your own research, you guys. This stuff is it's easy once you get the note, like get the research in it. But that's it. Be breezy. I just told you how to find support resistant, how to identify the market, whether it be bull, bear, range. Showed y'all M bearish pattern and how to read it. Yeah, so I don't want to confuse y'all too much, especially if you're beginners. Let me know what you want to. Let me know what you want to learn next, or what stock you want to see me break down. Boom.